welcome to a brand new video. This is my Mother's Day squishy double and triple stamping. Everything will be listed below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like this video for more nail art tutorials. And I already used the Petal pusher by Insta Dry. That was my base. And this will be used for the stamping. Black will be stamped with some Swarovski crystals. I'm just gonna give a quick reminder. I am changing the name of my channel. I'm going to change it to Nails by Liz Buckland by the end of this month. Just letting you know that I will no longer be Bombshell Nails. So now now that I have my base coat and the first coat of polish as a background, I'm going to use liquid latex to protect my skin from the squishy stamping technique of colors that ranging from, it's like a neon purple, a bright pink, and a light pink. So these are really cool colors. I started with the darkest color and I worked with my lightest color last. I like to add the colors over each other and even kind of drag the brush a little bit. So that is the first. And I'll just do this a couple more times. And then I'll do the rest of my hand off camera. Very nice. This is what they all look like. Peel off tape. Cleaned up everything. Very nice. And my thumb kind of looks like a heart, abstract heart with like petals flying around. It's kind of really interesting image that I made with the blending of the colors. So we're going to go with You Are Beautiful plate number 20, I think it is. I'll have it listed below in the description box. Please read my description boxes, everyone, if you can. I really appreciate it. I'm going to use Gold Metal, I think, by Sinful Colors. And I almost left things right there, but I was like, no, you can add another layer to just make it nice and bolder and more beautiful. So I messed up a little bit. I didn't edit this video. I just didn't have time. I almost didn't even upload. So I hope you enjoy this nail art technique. It's really easy. For you nail stampers out there, if you're a beginner, it will take a little time, but definitely worth it. I'm just showing you some nice up close detailed shots of the gold version. So I wasn't sure. Now there's a China glaze, the light green one. I almost used that as part of the squishy, but I decided to stamp with that, and I think that was a really good idea. Okay, note here, this is not going to turn out good. That's okay. Whether it turns out good or not, that is perfectly fine. Well, the gold, it turned out perfect, but for some reason I waited too long with the third stamp, and it was a happy mistake. So I just rolled with it. Next, we're going to use some chevrons on the ring finger. Very beautiful image for nail stamping. Very difficult to achieve freehand. It would take forever. So this stamped like a dream. Stamped really beautifully. Now we're gonna go with the flower over the thumb. I mean pinky, I'm sorry. Whoops. And turned out really nice. The gold stamps very nicely. So you could leave it right there, up to you, but I'm gonna move on using black to black. I wish the shadow of the butterfly came through, but that's okay, it didn't. The rest did, and stamped awesome. The gold line work on the back of this butterfly really enhances the depth quality of this nail art. I really like how I was able to achieve that. So this one doesn't work. I'm gonna go over it again. This image could be stamped on 3 nails, I think. The edges could have went on the other nails. I'm just gonna leave them this way for now. Yeah, this is a China glaze I was talking about. So this image turned out crisp and awesome. I didn't line it up very well. It was more diagonal and up, which I did want it up above the gold. That's okay, I didn't want the gold to be covered, so it's not meant to be a crisp, outline. It's more, something's there, but you can't tell what it is. So I'm gonna just top coat with a UV finish, High Shine, Ultra Shine by Mia's Secret. You can use your favorite top coat. I'm going to use gel because I am working at my nail salon now, and yeah, so these are all top coated, beautifully shiny. Now I'm taking my Swarovski crystals, 3, and I ended up placing these crystals crookedly. You can't tell. So I had to add more off camera. So originally there's supposed to be 3 on this nail, and I just went all the way down the side. I'm going to use Pure Pink Breeza gel. This is a professional grade. You cannot purchase this unless if you have a nail tech license. And there are gels that you can use from Sally Hansen, builder gels, and I would recommend using that for crystal placements that will adhere to your nails like solid, like very, they will stay. Like I can rub onto the nail, onto the crystal, and it's not going anywhere. If you use builder gel, just make sure you go around the edges too and cure that as well. I'll show you this nail and then I'm gonna do the rest off camera. But this is actually placed quite crooked, so make sure that as you place them, I did on the other hand just fine. So I'm gonna just go around like so to secure the crystals. Try not to put too much because that will show up. So you can see it's like tilting towards my side and it's like over to the side. And this is the finished result. I ended up adding more. I like them, so what do you guys think? Do you like the colors and the chevron? I mean, it's almost dreamlike a little bit. I really like how they turned out a lot. They're super sexy and feminine and just perfect for Mother's Day. The black over the double stamp is just really beautiful. I like how at the reel the butterflies are. And it's like I said, butterflies and flowers and pink this is just a great twist on your Mother's Day nail art for any type of nail, short, long. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.